Deadlocks here again, and today I'm escaping from the Clejuso 13r. It has this very long spreader bar, keeping your hands apart to make it impossible to reach the lock on the opposite wrist.
Unless you have really weird arms.
Unless you have really weird arms, apparently. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to escape it with this Sparrow's pokey thing that I don't know what the name is, because I forgot. But here we go. Double lock and moving. There we go. That's off. Easier than it should have, so that means the locking poles are going to be a pig. Oh, what do you know?
The other one's going to be a pain though. It's a double lock off.
It is.
Yeah, I know. See the little button click out. The worst thing about them, they've got to be really heavy when you've got them on one hand only as well. Oh, oh, oh. Got it.
Freedom!
Ta-da!
Now, I'll show you how I did it. So, this is how I opened the Clejusos with the Sparrow's pokey thing.
Clejusos.
Yeah, no, I had it right the first time. Sparrows. I'm dyslexic. So yeah, what I did was went into the keyway.
In the Clejusos.
On that side of the...
Clejusos.
I've forgotten what the name is for that pokey bit in the middle of the thing.
Key something.
Key post.
Yeah, okay.
On that side of the key post, on the side that the double lock is on, then just lean back.
Lean back.
Follow around the keyway.
That's the song.
You can see the double lock just starting to bounce. I'm just catching it.
Bounce.
If you catch it just right, which I am not,
because you're a terror. I think the puppy is tired today after his walks.
Yep. There we go. You can pop the double lock off.
I'm tired too after my walks.
That's right.
Oh, it's raining on my game.
Yeah, took us a few attempts to get it, but there we go. There's the double lock off. Then with this one, you just follow the keyway around to get to the locking pole.
Which way? Follow the keyway round.
The same direction, clockwise.
I was just saying, because people don't know. You can only see what you're doing, but it's backwards on there.
It's not backwards on here.
You just talk people through things, you big meanie. That's raining now.
There we go.
Today.
That's the locking pole done. Well, not that difficult to pick. It's just really awkward because of the really long bar, and you have to do it one-handed.
I'm not going to carry on that sentence.
I say.
Ignore me.
I will. That's all from us. See you next time.
Do. Bye.
Where's the hammer? We're organised here at Deadlocks. Oh, of course the hammer's in the kitchen. Where else would it be?
Why would you put the hammer in the kitchen? Oh my goodness.
Where else would I keep the hammer?
In the toolbox where tools live. I think I want to walk away.